This sounds fake, but it's real. In 1918, a massive Navy cargo ship vanished without a trace in the Atlantic Ocean. The USS Cyclops was carrying 20,000 tons of metal ore when it sent its final radio message, "Weather fair, all well." Then, complete silence. 306 men disappeared with the ship. No distress call, no wreckage, no survivors. The Navy launched the largest search in its history and found absolutely nothing. Decades later, people realized the ship had vanished in what we now call the Bermuda Triangle. What could make an entire warship disappear instantly?